So up until now, I've been incredibly happy with my Fuji cameras. I've got the X100V, absolutely love that camera. I switched from Canon to the X-T4, and that system, so far, been very happy. However, my X-T4 started making kind of an odd noise just recently, just out of the blue. I didn't bump it, drop it, smack it, nothing. And it started making this odd sound, kind of like what an external hard drive would make. It sounds kind of like there's a little fan running in there. I called Fuji. They said there's no fan in it, and it shouldn't be making noise. Send it in. Now, the other thing that I was having problems with the X-T4, and I wasn't completely sure that it was the camera, it could have been something else, but whenever I used it to do video, plugged in an external mic, I would sometimes not even get the audio. There'd just be no audio at all, or sometimes there'd be kind of scratchy audio. Other times it worked just fine. So because of the noise, kind of a fan-like external hard drive noise thing that it's making, because of that, because of the microphone issues, I'm sending it into Fuji to be looked at, fixed, replaced, whatever they're going to do. It's under warranty, so that's all good. Hopefully I will not need it in the next couple of weeks. If not, we're going to be scrambling for another camera, and I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I had registered the cameras on the Fuji website. I go on there, I do a repair status report, request, whatever. Walked me through it pretty easily. Print out a shipping label. Now I just got to ship it. So far so good. I'm going to be without the camera for probably 2 to 3 weeks, it sounds like. Which that is not great, but so far the process is going well. Okay, so now I am at Walgreens, which there is a FedEx in-store place in the Walgreens. Who knew? I didn't know that, but it's just down the street from my house, so that's super convenient. I'm going to run in there, get this thing shipped off. Step 2. Okay, I have to admit, leaving my camera in a box with the Walgreens lady makes me a little bit nervous. She was wonderful, very nice, believing that everything will be fine, but I'll feel better when Fuji tells me the camera's there and they have it. Guys, it is Friday morning, and I noticed this yesterday on Thursday, so 3 days after I sent in a camera to Fuji, I am looking at the site, and here's the good news. If I come over here to my orders and returns, I can look at my order details. I'm able to view the delivery status, and it was delivered yesterday at 10:14. So the good news is that on the Fuji site, according to the FedEx tracking, it got there yesterday. I haven't heard anything official. I thought I was supposed to get a text or something from Fuji saying, hey, we got it. They did tell me when I talked to them on Monday that because it's under warranty, it kind of goes to the front of the line as soon as they get it. So hopefully I will be hearing very soon, hopefully by the 1st of next week, if not maybe even today, a little more about how long they think they're going to need it and how long it'll take to get back into my hands, because as a working photographer, your main camera, which is, that's kind of my big, the working one, it'd be nice to have it back in here knowing that at the drop of a hat, I'm ready to go for whatever job is next. Okay guys, I just got off the phone with Fujifilm. It is, let's see, today is Thursday. I actually shipped the camera last Monday, so it's been about a week and a half since I sent it. I think Fuji officially got it last Thursday, so they've had it for a week. I talked to a guy today that said your camera literally went into the repair like 30 minutes ago. So they've got it. It's in the works. I did not get an update from Fuji, and the guy said the reason you wouldn't have gotten anything in an email or a text that we got it and where it's at is because it's under warranty. They don't need my permission to fix it. They don't need to give me a quote on how much it's going to cost. It's under warranty, so it automatically goes in. And he was telling me that depending on the repair that it needs, it could actually be shipped out as early as today. More than likely, it'll be shipped out Monday or Tuesday. And then it takes however long FedEx takes to get it to me, but it will probably ship back to me next week, which is all good. And Fuji has been fantastic at this point. No complaints. Fortunately, I haven't needed the camera the last few days. I've been actually doing some in-studio product stuff with my X100. So, well, I just found out from FedEx that my camera arrived. They actually came to the door yesterday. I missed them. They missed me somehow. I was here. I don't sure how that happened, but just found out today. I kept waiting for them to come and re-deliver it, but they've actually taken it to the drop-off point where I dropped it off at that Walgreens. So I'm going to run out, even though it's raining like crazy, I'm going to run out and go get it because I really don't want it sitting at Walgreens. Okay, so let's see here. Let me think. Today's Wednesday. I sent it away 2 weeks ago on Monday, so it's 2 weeks and 2 days. That's not bad from the day I sent it to the day I got it back, and I probably could have had it yesterday had I not missed the FedEx guy. Camera is in good working order. No issues found. Inspected, cleaned, firmware updated. I didn't find anything wrong with it. Okay, so the only thing I can think is that little bit of noise that it's been making. Maybe that's kind of normal. I mean, it's very subtle. And then the other thing I've been having a problem with is getting good audio out of it, but I actually had a problem with the X100V, so now I'm wondering if it's a microphone issue or if it's a cord issue and it's not the camera. So if the noise in the camera is normal, I guess maybe it's just something I'm gonna have to get used to. If you're a Fuji shooter and you know anything about that, leave me a comment, let me know. My only knock on the whole experience with Fuji sending this in was that I wish I would have had some kind of indication from them, a text or an email that said, hey, we just shipped this out. I didn't get anything like that, so I was kind of in the dark about that. But other than that, totally happy with Fuji. Whenever I talked to them on the phone, they were wonderful. Obviously, the turnaround was pretty darn quick, so everything went really well. Fortunately, I didn't need the camera those 2 weeks, so that was a good thing, and we're back in business with the X-T4. That's it, short video today. Thumbs up to the Fuji repair team. Hopefully I don't need them again, but if I do, I know it's going to be a good thing. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey!